On today's episode, we got our gauges.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Just received our Dakota Digital. They look pretty good. Retro looking. They look nice. So yeah, I'm going to be running all these gauges through this interface plugged into the OBD2. I believe it's just the fuel gauge that is the other one I have to hook up separately. But yeah, so it should be really easy. Sneak preview of the gauges. They look factory. I think for the cross member, I'm just going to block it up with a piece of wood right now, so I can get maybe the cable shifters mounted and get the gas tank out. Just keep working around the truck for now. I'm going to pretty much probably come in, cut this straight down, cut this all out, and just plate it for now, just to have a cross member so I can get the right angle for the yokes, and then get the pinion angle set for the rear axle, and then get the drive shafts ordered, and then I'll make up a nice tube cross member. So I think that'll work for now. I'm going to lower this down. I'm going to start feeding the cables up into the cab. I'm going to have them loop around and then come up through. I'm going to grind it down a hair. All right, shifters are together. Just gonna test it out, see what happens. Gotta take these off. This is a tight fit. Oh, you know, I can't shift. That's too tight. Well, we'll figure that out later. It looks pretty good right there. Felt snug.
That's good.
Go ahead, try to shift it.
They're
Too tight?
both. No, they're both connected.
Yeah, but is it too tight?
Yeah.
What do you think? We'll fix it one day?
Yeah, I think your cable's too tight. What is this light?
That most likely going to get the Hydro Boost mounted this week as well. Give it some gas. And I think while it's still up, I'm going to install the starter. Holy moly, it's made in the USA. Ow! So, the fan shroud does fit. I have to trim a little bit to bring it in closer. Fan spins freely without hitting anything. I think I'm just going to trim a little bit that hits along the radiator. If I trim it up a little more, So I can pull this in. That'll be great. It clears everything else. I just wanted this in for now so I can start running some wires, but I'll probably pull this off and hit it with some spray paint and then get the reservoir on. But yeah, I could start running wires now. Tired of that thing. All we had time for this week was a bunch of random things. Keep a lookout for the next one.